Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to increase the force at contact. Okay. There's two things that you need to use. The first one is the upper back arm, and the second one is the handle where the rubber grips are at. You need to use this a combination is to increase the force of contact. Okay. The upper back arm is for more extra force at impact, because that's where the muscle is at. Okay. And at the same time, you're using the handle where the rubber grips at is to align it to the impact zone, and the handle is used as a contact point, but the upper arm is the muscle that giving extra force. So a combination of both, you need to have it during the swing. So if you keep practicing that muscle memory, then you have the upper back arm for muscle and the handle is for contact. So if you do that repeatedly, then you don't have to think about that much. You would have other criteria in your head that you have to think about. So the two combination of force and contact is the upper back arm and the handle where the rubber grips. Okay, it's a combination of it for force and contact into the impact zone.